Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. Sorry, I was very sleepy, so I slept last night. This was right now, it's morning, 6 o'clock a.m. So I'm making this video as I promised about the Bitcoin. So let's get started. This is a Bitcoin weekly chart. I'm making this chart for Bitcoin for after a long time, maybe like several months, 6, 8 months, or maybe a year. But anyway, yeah, so it went down all the way here. So I was predicted that I did that. I made the chart showing that, right? So now what I see here is that this is wave one, this is wave two, and we are in wave three. Based on this Elliott wave theory that, this is how it goes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it will come down later on like in this fashion. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then ABC corrections. Right now, wave 3 is in the way, in my opinion. Here it is. And usually wave 3 is 161% of wave 1. So if you pull the fib expansion from here to here, this is wave 1, this is wave 2, wave 3 is starting from here, so 161% is coming here. Now, the whole drop here, if you pull the fib on that, 61% is coming here, right? So these are the two important numbers, 48, 185 right here, which is coming very close to 61. But that 161% fib expansion is coming around this area, 52. So one of these numbers is going to stop and stop the wave 3. After that, we're probably going to drop for wave 4 and then go up for wave 5, so on and so forth. But for now, we are in wave 3. And I think that this is wave 4 going on a smaller time frame. If you look at it, this is wave 4 of this wave 3. Okay. So this small wave 1, 2, 3, and this is wave 4, and one more jump, wave 5. So that wave 5 will finish up this wave 3, black cap, and then from there, 38% is going to come down for wave 4, and then go up for wave 5. Okay. So this is how this Bitcoin is doing. I trade accordingly. I don't have Renko charts open for this. And usually, I'll be because I don't, I stopped trading and then stopped looking at it, so I lost the charts, right? So, but you can, if you want to trade and if you want to get my system, then go on my website, it's creativetradingSystem.com, and get it, and then I'll tell you the brick size, how you open those Renko charts, proper Renko charts to make the proper entry from those Renko charts that I use. Okay. But I stopped trading it because I have enough. I'm doing enough, pretty good in forex pairs and some of those, gold, oil. Enough is enough, right? If you spread too much here, there, different places, then you start making mistakes, and I don't want to do that. So I can only eat so much, right? So enough is enough. So the things that I trade, they are pretty good, and I'm doing that. But yes, a lot of people are asking, so I said, okay, let me make the chart and then video about Bitcoin because it's not moving, and then go into the upside. So let's see what happens. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the weekend.